Yeah, man! Welcome to the Frickcast and to the Dr. Squatch product guides. Today, we're rebelling with the Freedom Fresh Hair Kit, the latest product to drop for the Freedom Fresh flavor, which is of course Squatch's 4th of July limited. With this year's release of the flavor, we got a brand new repackaging of the brick and stick, as well as the new release of a brand new hair kit, including a shampoo and conditioner. In terms of ingredients, we're mainly rocking with the standard Squatch hair kit ones, so shea butter, avocado oil, menthol, honey, and the like. If you want a in-depth breakdown of these ingredients and more, I have all that covered in my hair kit guide, so check that out if you're interested. As for what does make the Freedom Fresh unique, we need to turn our attention to the scent. So as you may know, the soap and the deodorant almost have two different scents going on, while the hair kit is more on the side of the deo, which I do think is a good thing, because it is the stronger of the two. So we're mainly talking a breezy, beach, Abercrombie & Fitch scent. Sort of cologne, but mainly a beach type of smell. It's an alright scent. I don't think it's one of the best ones of a hair kit, but it's not the worst either. It is a little more subtle than many of the other kits, which usually have a pretty potent scent. I should add that the conditioner also has some citrus in it as well, so it isn't identical to the deo scent. I think the kit though is a solid addition to the Freedom Fresh flavor, but I do think the deodorant is still the best product out of the trio. That's only my opinion though, and I'd love to hear yours in the comments. What do you think of the Freedom Fresh hair kit? Will you be slamming it this 4th of July? As always, Frick Nation, stay nifty.
Yeah, man!